boys and girls, welcome to our new classroom. So I'm going to try teaching you our whole group reading lesson like we do every day in the classroom. And I'm going to use my TV and we'll see how it works today. It's going to be the same thing like you do in the classroom. I'm going to be asking you questions throughout the lesson, but now you don't have to raise your hand to answer it. You can just answer it after I ask. All right, let's get going. So, you know, on Monday, we have 6 new amazing words this week, and I'm going to go through them quickly today, and then later on as we go in the week, we will learn more about each word. So I want you to start looking at our chart and seeing if you can think which word matches with which picture. So your first amazing word this week is the word trailer. What is it? Trailer. Your next amazing word is the word cabs. What is it? Cabs. Your next amazing word is the word haul. What is it? Haul. Your next amazing word is the word steering wheel. What is it? Steering wheel. Your next amazing word is the word truckers. What is it? Truckers. Start looking at those pictures. The next amazing word is headlight. What is it? Headlight. Okay. I want you to say umbrella. What sound do you hear in the beginning of umbrella? How do you spell that sound? U. Now, I want you to say the word nut. Now let's sound it out together. Get ready. N-ut. Again. N-ut. What sound do you hear in the middle of nut? Nut. I hear How do you spell that sound? U. Say truck. Truck. What sound do you hear in the middle of truck? How do you spell that sound? U. I want you to say up. Up. What sound do you hear in the beginning of up? How do you spell that sound? U. I want you to say tub. Let's sound it out together. Get ready. Tub. What sound do you hear in the middle of tub? How do you spell that sound? U. This is a picture of mud. Say mud. Let's sound it out. Get ready. Mud. What sound do you hear in the middle of mud? How do you spell that sound? U. So look at all of these pictures. Truck, up, tub, and mud. One of the pictures does not belong. Which picture does not belong? Up does not belong because it has in the beginning, and truck, tub, and mud all have in the middle. Let's sound out this word together. Get ready. Un. Again. sun. The sun is so bright and hot. Sun. Get ready. J-ud. Again. J-ud. Read it fast. Jud. Jud is my best friend. Jud. Why does Jud have a capital letter in the beginning? It's a proper noun. It's somebody's name. Let's sound it out. Get ready. Up. Up. Read it fast. Up. I can go up the stairs. Up. Next word. Get ready. Un. Again. Un. Read it fast. Fun. It is fun to play outside. Fun. Okay, let's look at this sentence. Sound out these words with me. Bud. Bud was on the bed. Bed. Bud was on the bed. What's something that's wrong with our sentence? Now, since we're doing this over video, I want you to think. We're going to start from the beginning and work that way. So, in the beginning of the sentence, what's something that's wrong with our sentence? It needs a capital letter. And why do we need a capital letter at the beginning of our sentence? Because all sentences begin with a capital letter. Bud was on the bed. What else is wrong with our sentence? Now, boys and girls, this is time for you to impress your parents because you guys are so smart and I know you love adding these words into our sentences when we fix them. And so first, let's look and see if we can find a noun. So I want you to tell me, using your motions, what is a noun? Get ready. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So what is the noun in this sentence? Bud was on the bed. The word bed is a noun because it's a thing, okay? So this sentence is missing an adjective. We don't know anything about the bed. So can you think in your mind and then you can say it out loud? What are some adjectives you could use to describe a bed? It could be a big bed. So big, little. You could use a color word, brown. I'm gonna use the adjective soft. So let's sound out the word soft. Get ready. Soft. 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 Bud was on the soft bed. Now I see one more mistake. Bud was on the soft bed. What else does this sentence need? That's right, it needs a period at the end of the sentence. And why does it need a period at the end of the sentence? Because it's telling us something. Awesome job. Okay, so boys and girls, you can get a piece of paper and you can fix the sentence and write it correctly. Bud was on the soft bed. And remember when we're doing our writing to give your sentences swag. Start with a capital letter, write your sentences neatly. You need a space between each word and give the sentence correct punctuation. Okay, we have 3 new sight words to learn this week. Are you ready? Okay, you're gonna stand up. If you're not standing up, go ahead and stand up just like we do in the classroom. and we're gonna do our chant. Are you ready? This is the word what. What. Okay. Can you say this word with me? What. Now spell it. W-H-A-T. Now shout it. What. Whisper it. What. Clap it. What. Stomp it. What. Close your eyes and picture it. What. Open your eyes and write it. W-H-A-T. Now cheer it. What. Our next new sight word is the word said. Say it with me. Said. Can you say this word with me? Said. Now spell it. S-A-I-D. Now shout it. Said. Whisper it. Said. Clap it. Said. Stomp it. Said. Close your eyes and picture it. Said. Open your eyes and write it. S-A-I-D. Now cheer it. Said. Our next new sight word this week is the word was. What is it? Was. Can you say this word with me? Was. Now spell it. W-A-S. Now shout it. Was. Whisper it. Was. Clap it. Was. Stomp it. Was. Close your eyes and picture it. Was. Open your eyes and write it. W-A-S. Now cheer it. Was. All right, so let's go back to our first word, the word what. I want you to think of a sentence using the word what. I'll give you an example. What am I going to do today? What? The next word is the word said. I want you to think of a sentence using the word said. I'll give you an example. My mom said to go to bed, said. And our last word was the word was. So think of a sentence using the word was. I'll give you an example. Was that your bike outside? Was. Okay, we have something new today. We are going to learn about prepositions. Can you say the word prepositions? All right, a preposition tells you where. So it tells you where something is. So I'm gonna play a video first to let you learn a little bit more about prepositions. So as you're listening to this song, remember a preposition tells you where.
To fly a rocket ship, you need to be an optimist. No astronaut
Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. I could be on the couch or outside my house. Am I across the street or within your reach? I could go up the stairs or fall off my chair. Am I in front of you? Are you behind me too? Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. Preposition, your ambition to tell me exactly my position. Now take a walk with me, and we'll go by the sea, and then along the path that goes around and back. Feel underneath the waves, or inside a cave, and before we're through, we'll jump over the moon. Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. Preposition, your ambition to tell me exactly my position. I could be on the couch outside my house, am I across the street or within your reach? I could go up the stairs, did I fall off my chair? Am I in front of you? Are you behind me too? Now I'm about to say, without further delay, when you're next to me, that's where I wanna be. Now we're near the end, but we're among good friends. So that after this, I'll do it one more time. Preposition, it's your ambition to tell me exactly my position. Preposition, your ambition to tell me exactly my position.
Okay, so let's see if we can get that back up. All right, so a preposition tells us where. Okay, so listen to this first sentence. Sam is in the bus. Sam is in the bus. So, where is Sam? Can you think and tell me what's the preposition in that sentence? The preposition is the word in. Sam is in the bus. So the word in tells us where Sam is. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. We are on the truck. We are on the truck. Okay, so where are we? What's the preposition in that sentence? What's the word that tells us where? The word on tells us where. We are on the truck. Okay, Miss Pearson is on the ground. Okay, the word on tells you where I am. The word on is a preposition. Say that word again. Preposition. Okay, so we're going to talk more about prepositions as the week goes on. And remember, a preposition tells us where. Okay, today is Monday, and on Mondays we always do our daily Fix It. Okay, so your writing activity today, and you can just get a blank sheet of paper and do this at home, and then you can take a picture of it and upload it into our Google Classroom so that I can see your awesome writing. Okay, so let's look at what we need to do to fix this sentence. Did you see that big bug? Did you see that big bug? Okay, just like we did before, let's look at the beginning of the sentence and see what's the first thing that needs to be fixed. we need a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. And why do we need a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence? Because all sentences begin with a capital letter. Did you see that big bug? What's the next thing that's wrong? That's right. We need a finger space between the word U and C. It's so hard to read those words when they're smushed together. So you need to get that finger space in between the word U and C. Did you see that big bug? That needs to be a question mark. Why do we need a question mark at the end of this sentence? That's right, because it's asking us something. Did you see that big bug? Let's look at our second sentence. What kind of bug was it? Okay, so let's look at the beginning. What's the first thing that needs to be fixed? We need a capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. That W needs to be capital because all sentences begin with a capital letter. What kind of bug was it? Do you see another mistake? That A should not be capitalized. We don't put capital letters in the middle of a word, so we need to fix that and write a lowercase a. What kind of bug was it? What kind of punctuation mark do we need at the end? That's right, we need a question mark. This sentence is asking us something. What kind of bug was it? So get your question mark at the end of that sentence. So fix your mistakes and then you're gonna write it correctly and make sure your sentence has swag. So it needs to start with a capital letter, written neatly, a space between each word, and make sure you give it the correct punctuation. All right, boys and girls, that was your whole group lesson for today. I can't wait to see pictures of your writing. All right, I will see you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.